Welcome to the Humdard Teach channel. In this video you will learn the general science multiple choice questions MCQs of biology, chemistry, physics and atmospheric studies. With answers. Each day human body breathe in, blank, liters of air. A. 5,000 to 10,000. B. 10,000 to 15,000. C. 15,000 to 20,000. D. 20,000 to 25,000. Correct answer is 10,000 to 15,000. Deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Night blindness. B. Rickets. C. Scurvy. D. Hair fall. Correct answer is rickets. The most densest substance on the earth is underscore blank. A. Platinum. B. Copper. C. Steel. D. Osmium. Correct answer is osmium. CNG stands for A. Converted natural gas. B. Conduced natural gas. C. Conducted natural gas. D. Compressed natural gas. Correct answer is compressed natural gas. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is underscore blank. A. Pyroscope. B. Pyrometer. C. Seismograph. D. Xylometer. Correct answer is pyrometer. For more important MCQs, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.